Hey folks, welcome to today's video. So, here's the problem we're tackling. You have an animation set up in JavaScript, but unfortunately, when the animation plays, your event listener doesn't seem to fire. Quite a pickle, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to use the precode animation.finish to then equals and gt console.log and quote animation finished and quote winky face animation.play console.log animation.play state code snippet. By implementing this approach, you'll ensure that your animation finishes successfully and that you can track its play state effectively. Remember, keeping an eye on these details is crucial for getting your animations to work as intended. In summary, we've covered how to address the missing event listener issue during your animation. By following the provided solution and monitoring the animation's progress, you'll be on the right track to resolving this hiccup. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. We always appreciate your support. See you in the next one.